Thanks for the input from a subcontractor's angle, but we've got this under control. No need to worry.
Excuse me? How dare you talk to my brother like that? Is that really the attitude you bring to work?
My name's Keiichi Sato. I'm running a project to build a new tower attraction and roller coaster at the amusement park. Thanks for the input from a subcontractor's angle, but we've got this under control. No need to worry. Well, okay, if you say so.
Oh, what's going on here?
That's Yui Sakura. She's an architect at Tokimeki Construction, the same company as Takumi. Look, Days Industrial doesn't want to use our latest equipment, so I stopped by to make sure they really know what they're doing. Then he hits me back with this whole trusting machines too much isn't good speech. Hey, I wasn't trying to argue with you or anything. Whatever. You guys can turn down our suggestions and stick to the old school way if you want. But we're running this site. Just don't mess it up for us, alright?
Excuse me? How dare you talk to my brother like that? Is that really the attitude you bring to work?
Chairwoman Sato, what are you doing here?
I came to check in on my brother.
Your brother?
Keiichi Sato, the president of Days Industrial, is Chairwoman Sato's younger brother.
What? Well, my sister and I don't really go around telling people that, so I don't blame you for not knowing. And honestly, this is the first time we've worked with Tokimeki Construction. We usually operate in completely different sectors.
I only just found out myself the other day. It totally threw me off.
It's business, so really, don't worry about the family connection.
Family aside, the way you talked down to our subcontractors was completely out of line.
I'm sorry.
Our work only happens because of our subcontractor partners. And you're telling them, don't screw it up? Seriously? Is that how you normally treat people?
No, it's not like that. It's just, they pushed back against our methods, and I got defensive.
A site supervisor's job is to make sure everyone's work comes together smoothly. Acting high and mighty isn't part of it. Don't let this happen again.
Yes, ma'am. I'm really sorry. Sheesh. Why'd she have to show up now? Talk about bad timing.
And wasn't the new equipment supposed to be used only for the roller coaster project?
Oh, well, I figured if we could use it for the tower too, why not?
I said we'd consider it if the site crew wanted it. But don't go pushing it like it's already decided.
Sorry. Damn it. I wanted to use the new equipment on both projects to show off what it can really do.
I get that you want to modernize the site operations. But don't get so caught up in it that you create problems for everyone else.
Yes, I understand. No choice. I'll just have to prove myself by making the roller coaster project a success first.
Sorry about that, Keiichi. Didn't mean to stir up trouble for you.
So Takumi wanted us to use the new equipment.
He studied mechanical engineering, and he's been dying to modernize construction sites for ages. This is the first time he's actually gotten approval to use it on a project, so he's pretty fired up.
I can see the benefits of the machinery, but I know how you work. And I don't think relying too heavily on machines is the right way.
Exactly. I tried explaining that to Takumi, but he wouldn't hear it.
Keiichi's way of working.
The next day, "Hey Takumi! Heard Miss Sato chewed you out yesterday." Huh? How did you find out about that? She just told me herself. It wasn't that big a deal. Just a little disagreement with the crew. I approved the whole site automation thing because you said it'd benefit the company. But I still think the craftsman's skills are more reliable. Oh, come on, not this again. You don't have much field experience yet. Do we really need to rush into this? Dad, you worked your way up through the ranks, so your thinking's stuck in the past. Automation cuts down site workload and makes up for a lack of experience. It's more efficient and makes everyone's job easier. Dad and Days Industrial both think they can look down on me because I'm inexperienced. But that equipment cost us a fortune up front. I know. I'll prove my way is the right way. 1 week later.
Wait, you're doing this part by hand too?
Yep, this joint's critical for the rail, so it's safer to torque it manually. It's like lug nuts on a car. You can easily over-tighten some spots if you just rely on a gun.
Well, yeah, I get the logic, but all by hand? This method, it's gonna take forever, isn't it?
I bet Takumi's using one of those fully automated AI bolt tightening machines for this. But me, I'd rather trust my own hands.
Oh, I see.
I guess I just trust the feel of it more. Takumi probably thinks it's old-fashioned.
Is this the cagey way Yuko was talking about? But seriously, can they really finish on time like this?
Wait, did her face just fall? She looks worried. Hey, Mr. Shimoda. How's the new gear working out?
Still getting used to some parts, but it's great. That AI project management system schedules everything so efficiently. I don't even have to stress over it anymore.
That's great to hear.
Thanks to Tokimeki Construction, we get to use this top-notch equipment. We're thrilled. Honestly, construction sites should push automation more, right?
Exactly. Glad to hear someone on the same wavelength. A lot of companies are still hesitant.
Oh, you mean Days Industrial?
Yeah, they told me they don't need the latest gear.
Ah, I see. Sure, we've got some old school folks too. But a company's gotta be efficient and make a profit.
Exactly my point. Counting on fuzzy stuff like experience or gut feeling is just risky.
I think even our skeptical guys will see how useful these machines are on this project.
That's the plan. 1 week later. How's the progress over here?
Oh, hey Takumi.
What brings you by? Just checking in. We can't afford any delays on this attraction's deadline, you know? It's going smoothly, don't worry. We'll hit the deadline, no problem.
How's the roller coaster side going?
Perfectly. The machines are way faster than human labor. They're efficient. They actually lighten the workload for everyone. You sure you don't want to switch, Days Industrial? Might have been the smarter move. Nah, we're fine over here. Whatever. Just don't miss the deadline. That's what matters. Don't let me down.
His attitude hasn't changed much, huh?
Well, from his side, our way must look slow. Can't really blame him.
He says the machine side's fine, but you think it really is?
Honestly, I'm still a little worried. There are just some things machines can't handle. I hope Takumi gets that.
You know, after watching you and your crew work, I think I get it now.
Huh?
At first, I was seriously worried. Like, can they really finish on time doing it this way?
Oh, so that's why you look so concerned.
But watching your team, every move is so precise, no wasted motion. It actually moved me. I thought, this is real craftsmanship.
Aw, come on, you're exaggerating.
Machines for efficiency aren't wrong. But I see now automation isn't the only answer. I get what Yuko meant now.
Still, Takumi's really obsessed with mechanization, huh?
Well, his dad, Mr. Katori, worked his way up from the bottom. I think Takumi, without that kind of field experience, wants to prove himself fast and earn his dad's recognition.
I see. 1 week later. Ready for another productive day, Mr. Shimoda?
Takumi, sorry. We've had to stop work for now.
What? Why?
The crew got into a fight.
What?
One guy said the AI's instructions were wrong.
and tried to do it his way.
Another one tried to stop him. It blew up.
Wait, so the guy ignoring the AI was at fault? Or was the AI actually wrong?
That's the tricky part.
What's going on here? You're a Days Industrial. What are you doing here?
We noticed it was dead quiet here today. Thought something might have happened.
What's going on?
Takumi, look, all this machine talk. It's not working out here.
What? But we've been efficient the whole time, haven't we?
No, man, we've just been putting up with it.
Huh? Putting up with it?
Maybe in a factory this works. But outside, we've got to deal with the weather.
The weather? But the AI scheduling accounts for the forecast.
That's not real time. Like, if it looks like rain, we switch to high altitude work first before the footing gets slick. The AI can't make those calls on the fly.
Okay, sure, maybe not that detailed.
And another thing.
There's more?
For newbies, setting up a fully automated machine every time feels safe. But for us veterans, using our hands is faster. Honestly, efficiency's crap the way we're doing it now. We can't waste time fiddling with machines for every little task.
But I was afraid this might happen. Takumi, there are things machines can't replace. Sometimes a craftsman's skill is far superior.
Just like you worried it would turn out, Keiichi.
If this keeps up, the machines are only slowing your team down. Wouldn't it be better to switch back, at least for now? What? No way. We've come too far to give up. But the people actually doing the work are your crew.
I agree. Pushing like this will be tough. And we cannot miss the deadline.
Damn it, this is not how it was supposed to go. Wait, I've got it. Here's the plan.
Huh?
The veteran guys can work manually, and the newer guys keep running the machines. That way, both approaches get used.
Well, that might work. But what about the AI management system? We won't be following its instructions. So our schedule will fall out of sync with the system.
Then I'll handle the adjustments myself, in real time.
What? You will?
I'm the one who asked everyone to use this stuff. It's on me. I'll take that responsibility and lighten the load as much as I can.
Alright, if you're serious about that. If we can handle our tasks our way, I guess it works.
Then it's settled. Let's get back to work.
Is this really gonna be okay?
Takumi, trying to balance both sides might be harder than just automating. Maybe you should ask your dad, Mr. Katori, for advice. His experience could help. No, I've got this. I know these machines. Inside and out. With the right tech, experience gaps don't matter. But problem solved. You guys should head back to your own site. No need to worry about us. All right. 2 months later.
It's finally done.
Yeah, just need to clear the final safety inspection and we're officially finished.
No doubt you'll pass. Everything looks flawless.
I know, but I can't help being nervous.
It looks like the roller coaster wrapped up fine too.
Seems that way. Honestly, I was worried there for a bit, but I'm glad it turned out okay.
Let's hope the handover goes just as smoothly.
Yeah, fingers crossed. 1 week later. Alright, let's start with the tower attraction results. Okay. Overall dimensions, braking performance, emergency stop reaction time, all meet standards. Ultrasonic testing shows no whaled issues. It passes. Oh, thank God. The precision is consistent throughout. Honestly, you don't see work like this without serious skill and experience. Outstanding craftsmanship.
That's my brother for you.
That's what comes from honing your craft in the field. Thank you. Please. We could have hit that same level with our system. Now, moving on to the roller coaster. This one fails. What? Fails? Wait, why? What's wrong with it? First, rail position on elevated sections is inconsistent, creating a slight warp. That warp reduces braking force below safety standards. Inconsistent? That's probably from mixing machine and manual work, right? Also, multiple small cracks at the joints on elevated sections. Cracks? Did you change fixtures? Or work order midstream? The cost seems to be there. Or maybe from you tweaking the AI system manually, Takumi? Which part needs fixing? We'll get right on it. There are other areas not up to code as well. Honestly, it may be faster to rebuild from scratch. Say what? Rebuild it? I'm afraid so. Maybe the tower crew could handle it. But normally, this scale of correction is nearly impossible.
Understood. Thank you for your time.
Of course. Good day. See? What did I tell you? Real field experience comes first. This automation stunt just cost us a fortune.
No, this only happened.
Because the crew didn't follow the machine's instructions. They kept complaining they couldn't work with it.
So, you're blaming the crew?
Yes. The system should have worked.
Instead of taking responsibility, you're just pointing fingers.
You were in charge of managing that site. The fact it needs a rebuild means the responsibility is yours.
No way. It can't be my fault. I warned you, Takumi. Huh? I told you trying to handle everything yourself would be rough. I said you should talk to Mr. Katori. Takumi, is that true? But you brushed me off and said you didn't need advice. If you'd listened, maybe this wouldn't have happened. That's not. You just didn't want to hear it from us so-called old-school types, right? No, that's not what I
get it now. You look down on people who devoted years to mastering their craft. You ignored the value of their experience, pushed your way through, and this is the result.
No, that wasn't my intention.
But it shows. And honestly, someone who can't even respect the people they work with shouldn't be running a construction site.
Please, just give me one more shot. If we go fully automated this time, it'll work. I know it. Enough! There's no way I'm trusting you with another project.
You'll be held accountable for this loss.
You've gotta be kidding me. After that, Takumi was removed as site supervisor and blamed for the huge financial loss. Word is, he's been demoted to a regular crew worker, getting drilled from the ground up. Damn it. Seriously. They're all looking down on me. Meanwhile, Yui and I were put in charge of rebuilding the roller coaster. We've been buried in work every single day.
Hey, when the park finally opens, wanna go check it out together?
Huh? Yeah, definitely. Enjoyed the video?
Then smash that like button and subscribe.